The marketing industry has been lying to us. They are wiring us to believe of easy success, that instant gratification is always there. They're teaching us that we don't need to work hard on our goals. Is it the truth though? Far, far away from reality. In fact, everything that is big took years to make. Starting today, I want you to start doubting anyone promising that you will be the best version of yourself only with 3 installments on your credit card. Here's the thing. Because we're always being told that everything is easy, we become someone who gives up easily. What's worse is that since we are used to instant gratifications, we question ourselves why we did not make it. Just as what I said in my book review for the 5-second rule, the results didn't matter as long as you did the action. It takes years of practice to make a big impact in any industry. Making a business, it's not easy. It will take tons of hours of hard work, rejection from your close ones. Have a good health, it's also not easy. You need to build a consistent workout routine and have a proper diet. There is only one thing that works all the time. It's doing things consistently and hustle until you make it. So that's what the compound effect is. Over time, you make yourself better each day. You work yourself each day and it will be compounded to success. To make you understand this concept, let's make this famous penny analogy. If you have a choice, will you accept $1,000,000 in cash or a penny that will double every day for 30 days? If you already know this analogy, then you will probably choose the penny. But at day 7, you will only have 64 cents. At that stage, you might be questioning yourself of your decisions. That is normal. We just need to continue doing what we do and not to give up because in day 15, you will have $163.84. Regretting this already? You are thinking that the 1 million at the end is the best choice? The thing is that at day 30, if you only continued, you will have $5,368,709.12. We need to break free of the instant gratification mindset that is instilled to us by media. Your perfect body will not be achieved by buying the most expensive blender or the most expensive workout machine or the best workout routine. What matters is you use the blender to make healthy shakes and do the workout routine continuously to see the results. Same with making money. You won't make thousands in only a few minutes. It takes years of practice to be an expert and to build a business to make it profitable. The only thing that differentiates the successful ones you're seeing is that even if they went down and start doubting themselves, they still continued to wake up each and every day. Even if people are laughing at them, they still got up and did the work. Turn your enemies into motivation. Most of us hate to have enemies, but here's the thing. That is if you think that way. Turn your enemies into motivation. David has Goliath. America had the British. The British had Americans. Luke had Darth Vader. Rocky had Apollo Creed. Apple has Microsoft. And Microsoft has Apple. Enemies are there to give us power to stand up and fight with courage. On the road to success, one of the bumps you'll face are these enemies. Never ever get discouraged by them. Turn them into motivation by thinking how you will stand up to them. If you think that way, it will be easier for you. There is an innate power to anger, which can be used to fuel your work. Use it wisely. Don't use it to hurt yourself. Your reaction is totally dependent on yourself. That is how it should work. People are belittling you, prove them otherwise. You're getting bullied, work on yourself with more intensity and shut them up with your results. Once you have the motivation, you can use it very efficiently by building habits that will compound to a new you. If you want to learn how to use motivation wisely, I recommend you watch my book review for Atomic Habits by James Clear. Link in the description box. Use momentum to your advantage. Just like in physics, momentum also takes place in the creative process. Here is something you need to remember. The hardest thing to do is always at the start. That is always the case for everything. Starting your first business is hard. Creating your first website is hard. But here's the good news. It always gets better. The more you do things, the easier it will be. The hardest roadblocks along the way are the ones at first. What's important is you did the action. Without action, there will be no such result. As simple as that. So what really is important is that you do the action. Force yourself in taking actions. You don't want to do the action? Use the 5-second rule. Good start to kickstart recreating yourself. When I first started this channel, I just told myself this. The hardest is the first one. I never waited to feel like it or that I'm ready. I just told myself that I need to do it right now. I actually just used my phone and it is really ugly. That's my first video. I have no experiences in making one. I don't even know how to edit. I remember that time where I just searched Google because I don't know how to edit a video. But right now, after about 17 videos, it became so much easier. There will be times where I don't know what to do, so I will Google it. But it is not as hard as the first time I once did it. Why am I telling you this story? I want to prove that all it takes for you and your goals is to take a deep breath and do it right now. Start doing your goals. After that, do it consistently. If you're looking for a sign to do what you want in life, then this is the sign. I'm giving it. This is the sign right now. Do what you want and do not give up. I am not a successful guy, far away from it. But I always remember to do my best every day. I don't want to give up. Same as what I said in my other book review for the 4 agreements. Just do your best consistently over time. What happened? I am happy. I might not succeed, but at least I woke up every day with the light up in my eyes. I sleep at night knowing that I did my best for the day. I sleep knowing that tomorrow is not a grind, but I think it as tiny steps towards my dreams and goals in life. I followed my dreams by doing the action and do it continuously. I hope you too. I hope I gave you a reason to reach your goals. I know you can do it. Also, wish you luck. See you in the next video.